Oh yes, today I'm going to be taking a look at some very odd-looking He-Man looking action figures. And this one right here is Mecha. And you're probably wondering, why is he called Mecha? Well, he can do this. Jeez. Yep, he can do that. Actually I only have two of these Masters of the Universe figurines. I bought one just actually today. He's like on the other side. I'll show him a bit. But yeah, this is Mechanic. He's actually supposed to have some armor and a yellow club, except I unfortunately do not have it. I actually bought this thing for pretty cheap. And out of the two, he's actually the one in the best shape. And he just looks really odd. Like, I really do not know what they were going for when it came to this design. It's very odd, but anyways, he's very freaking muscular. Man, he's like ripped. He's the most sexiest creature alive you could possibly see. Um, he's blue, got silver boots. He's got wearing a loincloth or some crap like that, and he's got like a funny looking hat or a helmet. I have no clue. He's got an open hand. Looks like he's trying to slap someone or shake someone's hand. I really do not know. Um, he's got a thumb up. What is he doing? Hitchhiking? That's not good, Mechanic. You're not allowed to hitchhike. And, but when it comes to figures like these, they're really practically the same. I mean, they're really cheap. So basically, it's basically kind of like the show, because I know the show suffers from reusing animations and, using kind of pretty much only like very few voice actors to voice all the different characters and whatnot. But yeah, I don't know. It's just very odd. And the backstory for Mechanic makes absolutely no sense. It's like literally like apparently one day he broke his neck, and apparently they fixed his neck by putting nanites in it, and that's why he can extend his neck, which makes no freaking sense whatsoever. I absolutely do not understand what the hell they were thinking when it came to designing this. The backstory and figure-wise. He doesn't even have like one. If he doesn't have like any armor whatsoever, he's just a man wearing like really tight jumpsuit. That's literally it. He's wearing like a tight jumpsuit, basically, essentially, and it's just very odd. I mean, they're very muscular. I'm kind of wondering if they got like an incredibly ginormous syringe full of steroids and just pretty much injected it into their body, and this is what it came out to be. Oh yeah, but anyways, enough of Mechanic. You can go sit over there if you want. Yes, I don't care. The next one out of the two is this thing. I have no clue what the actual hell they were thinking for this figure. Like, it's really odd. I mean, you can make him look like he's sad, like he's depressed, but he looks like he's about to go freaking clap someone. I swear. I mean, he's got like an opened hand. His bit of his thumb's missing because I've got this one broken. As you can see, his leg's a little freaking awkward and messed up. As you can see, it barely moves. Oh well, he's a little. I'm not even sure. He's like a strange man. Oh, look, here's one of his expressions. He looks pretty much confused. This one he just looks concerned, and then this one he's just mad, he's angry. And I don't even know his name. If someone could actually tell me what his name is, then I would be glad to basically just thank you, because honestly, I really do not know. He's wearing a loincloth and some freaking boots. That's literally it, in orange. Yeah, to forget to mention, sculpting wise, it's basically the same on each figure, and the paint job isn't too amazing, but it's not the worst thing I've ever seen. It's not something you find in Dollar Tree, essentially, where basically there's glob. It's basically like these weird, shitty looking G.I. Joe figurines that you can buy for like $1 or something like that. That don't look very good. He's essentially the same thing as Mechanic. He's got the open thumb, he's got the weird, dodgy looking hand. I have no freaking clue what these pieces of armor, or what this one on the left hand is. Maybe it's like, I don't know, it's like maybe armor or something. I really do not know if he came with armor or whatnot, but if someone can actually tell me, or even send me a link, well, thanking you, but I just do not understand. This one's just really odd. But anyways, if I have to be quite honest, I mean, I think he's very hot and sexy. Just kidding, he's not sexy at all. He's freaking odd. He's weird. He's not as weird as, Mechanic over there, that freaking blue fool over there. You know, he's not that, but, do remember, today I actually saw, like, another one. There were only two. There's one antique store. There was, like, another one where he kind of looked like a weird blue, navy blue goblin, or something like that. He looked like a weird goblin. And his head was actually made of a weird material. It was like a rubber, or something like that, so it can actually, you could squeeze it. You could press down on it, and, you could squeeze it. I'm not even sure what they were thinking for that one, at all. But yeah, there's nothing really much else to say about these figures, other than they're freaking odd. I just for some reason decided to buy them because they were weird. Actually, I had this one for a long time, actually, Mechanic. But anyways, if you want to see more content like this, then please subscribe if you want to. Anyways, that's pretty much it.